Yes,
Samarth, which question you got doubt? Which one?
138, sir.
Huh?
138. 138. Yeah.
Okay. One 38. 138. Alone question or this is part of question?
Right?
130 is single question, right?
I think so, sir. Yeah, it's a single.
It's a part of question, no?
No, no, no. It's a single question. 138.
138 is a 135 to 139 is a single question, right? Acha, no, no, no. 1 minute.
135 to 136 is a single question.
No, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Some different that opened right now. Trigonometry, no. 130, 138, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. From the best illumination of piece of art, you are saying that one.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that one. I might have got a calculation mistake, but that's I'm not getting the answer.
Okay, okay. Let me check the question. See. For best illumination of piece of art, a lighting specialist for an art gallery recommends that a ceiling mounted light be 3 meter from the piece of art and that of angle of depression of light be 30 degree. How far from a wall should be light be placed so that recommendation of the specialist are met? No, this only, right? I'm sharing the screen.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Samarth, Rashul, and Javelin. This question you were saying, no, Samarth?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. This one only.
So what they're asking the question first. The figure is something else. You're understanding the question, what they're asking here.
Sir, some sort of little.
Huh?
Yes, sir. I understood a bit. But
For best illumination of a piece of art, a lighting specialist for an art gallery, recommend that a ceiling mounted light be 3 meter from a piece of art. Means that light is kept at 3 meter, right?
yes, sir. From the piece of
It
art.
means this distance they are given here. Means from here to here, distance is 3 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
uh, from a piece of art and the angle of depression of the light be 30 degree. Depression of light they've given. The depression we are measuring this one, right? So this is 30 degrees given, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is a part of height and distance kind of thing. So this is your 3 and this angle is 30 degree. Next what they are saying, here is how far from the wall should be light be placed so that recommendation of the specialist are met. Recommendation of the notice the art extend towards 10 centimeter from the wall. Notice that the art extends outward 10 centimeter from the wall. But this
So
art is
this
10
part
centimeter.
I cannot understand. This last one.
The art is there. This art, what you can see on here, that is 10 centimeter means up the wall. Okay, it's not touching the wall, it's up the wall. Okay, this art.
Okay, sir.
How far from the wall should be light be placed? This light should be, where should this light should be placed so that recommendation of a specialist are met? What they want actually?
Don't know, sir.
How far the wall should be? How far from the wall should be light be placed? What they are trying to say in this question? Have you done, Javian?
Sir, I just came back from school, so
Not today. I'm saying you are having so no Sunday. You are having Monday. You are having. Not today. I'm asking. Have you done this question before? You have tried till this chapter or not?
no, sir.
Why you are not getting time?
No, sir.
Why?
Sc- School is consuming all the time, sir. Like from morning 8 o'clock, the class starts. They leave us by 6,
Huh.
and after that, then there is another orientation which starts from 6:30. That goes till 8 o'clock.
Okay. Okay. Huh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the kind of different question only. What they're asking that only I'm not understanding here in this question.
Yeah, sir. I was unable to understand why they are
Here
taking
they've
the
given this is 3 meters
picture
from
10
the.
cm.
Huh?
Why they are taking the that picture 10 cm away from the wall? I cannot
How
understand.
far from the wall? This one should be how far from the wall. This one. Should the light be placed? Light how far from the wall should be placed so that recommendation of the specialist are met. Acha. 30 degrees should be there. Then suppose this is your poster and light should be here. 30-degree angle should be there. Okay. Here light is coming. This is 30-degree. Angle of depression is 30-degree, right? So here, if you are saying this is 30-degree actually. 30 degrees given.
Sir, I understood the diagram, but
Diagram understood.
yeah,
But what they're asking the question, that is more important. What they're asking the question. Very typical question they have given. Some different kind. Means if you draw this light over here, this is your poster. No, this is your poster. Correct.
yes,
Here is your poster. Light should come from here to the poster. Correct. You should fall on the poster directly. So this distance should be this distance they're asking, right? This angle of
yes, sir, yes,
depression they are given as theta. This is 30 degrees they have given over here.
yes.
And this distance only they should ask how far we should keep so that this become. So this is 10 meter from the wall.
So there is no relation for 10 meters.
3 meter they've given, no 3 meter, not 10 meters,
Yeah,
3 meter.
3 meter. Yeah.
So 3 meter from the piece ceiling mounted to be light to be 3 meter from the piece of art. The 3 meter from the piece of art they are given. The ceiling mounted light with 3 meter from the piece of art. Piece of art is 3 meter. Piece of art is 3 meter. Means this one is, you know, how far from the wall it should be. 3 meter is here, and this you can find diamond here. See, D you have to ask me how far this will be there. This light is there. No, how far from the wall should be there? See, I understood now what they're asking here in the question. See, this is your light. Okay, this is falling directly here at the angle of 30 degree. Okay, they are asking that how far from the wall. See, from the wall is here. How far from the wall is kept? This distance you should find. Here that is given. How from the wall, and this is 3 meters given, right? So why this 10 centimeter they were given here? Notice that the art extends towards 10 centimeter from the wall. What is the 10 centimeter mean here?
That's what I was on this.
See, 10 centimeter is coming up. No, this poster is coming 10 centimeter 0.1. So what distance you find? No, that point distance just put, notice you can add over here. This poster is there. This poster is just 0.1 centimeter is outside, correct? This isn't coming in meter, this is centimeter. You can write here this 0.1 centimeter. Now what you can do here is, can you find D from here or not now?
Yes, sir, we can find it.
What we should use here for to find D? Theta is given, here is perpendicular, it's not hypotenuse, and base is given. D by H is what? Cos theta, no?
The length of D is coming 2.6 meters. 3 root 3 by 2.
Cos 30 only you should do here, right?
Yeah.
Cos 30 is B by H. Cos 30 degree is equals to B by H. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equals to B. B is how much? We have to find B. That is D we are writing, right? Distance. And height is 3. So D is equals to 3 root 3 by 2. So 3 into 1.732 divided by 2. You can cancel 0.862. No, 0.866. So multiply now. 6 3s are 18. Carry 1. 6 3s are 18. 1 19. 8 is 24 and 25. 2.5. We can say approximately 2.6. And 0.1 if you add, you will get what? 2.7. What is the answer given over here? Samarth on your camera. Samarth and Javian. So 2.7 is the answer. Is it clear what I've written here? So 0.1 we should add because that whole poster is coming means 10 centimeter away from the wall. Okay. So both you should add over here. Any more doubt you are having, Samarth?
No, sir, not.
Rasul, you have solved anything? Rasul?
No doubt, sir.
Any doubt you are getting, Rasul?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Till where you have done, Samarth? Till 158 or 157?
153.
153, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start from 154 then. Okay.
All right.
Okay, question number 154. See and tell me the answer for this. Cos
Then,
square
sir, all the questions are done. The self-test type is coming after this.
what, Samar?
Yes, sir, after 153, the self-test questions are coming. You see the heading is there.
Yeah, self-test questions.
Yeah.
Then you don't want to do?
No, sir, we can do it.
Okay, do this one. Cos square 45 plus theta and cos square 45 minus theta. How to do this question? This is based on complementary angles. Complementary angles is there for exam. Samarth, complementary angles is
No,
there?
sir. No, sir. It's not there.
There.
The complementary angles 40 degrees. Yeah, it's there. Yeah. I think it's there, sir. But I'm
Now
not.
you do complementary angles. Then do this question. It's very easy question.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Teja, tell me
Sir, did you got the answer?
which answer.
This 154th answer, sir.
First you on the camera, then you speak. Whatever you want to speak, first you on the camera. Javin and Rasool, why off your camera? Javian and Rasool. Javian, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
On your camera, Javian. So this is a part of Javian. Can you solve this? This is a part of complementary angles. Who can solve? If you can solve, do fast. If you're not able to solve, just tell me. I just solve on the board over here.
Sir,
Yes, Teja.
well, I can guess, sir.
Don't guess. First you on your camera, then you guess whatever you want to do.
Okay.
First you're on your camera, then you can just guess whatever you want. Okay.
Sir, complementary angles, it's not there, sir.
Not there.
No, sir. I just checked the PDF. It's not there.
Yeah, complementary does. But anyway, see what we can do here is. Okay, anyways, not there. No, see this and this sum is this one 190 degree, right? So
Yes,
any
sir.
you
Yeah.
change, you'll get one on the top, and down also you can change here. Tan 60. This one you can easily can solve here also. So you can solve this. Complementing is not there. No, I know that it's not there. Teja, you can guess which question, which answer is correct. Guess, Teja, guess.
Sir, one, sir.
One only.
Option E. Yes, sir.
How? But how it's coming one? Simply guessed.
Yeah, sir, I guessed.
Okay, fine. Next question is this. You guess, Teja. What is the answer? See this question 155. Can you guess this question? Who is not attending the class today? Samarth?
Sir, Praharshan is not there. Others, there.
Praharshan, right?
Yeah. Others also.
Praharshan, then
Others, sir. Others.
Adarsh. Okay.
And the new student also.
Huh?
New student also.
Kritika, sir.
The Kritika. She
Don't know.
joined right now. Then he left. She left. Right.
Don't think.
Hemant is not there. Hemant, Praharshan, Adarsh, Chanchal, Kritika and Drishi, right? Anyone else who is absent?
Yes. No, sir, that many one.
So what is the answer for 155? Teja, guess. Anyone answer? What do you guess? Say.
Sir, is the answer 1 by sec a minus 10 a?
1 minus sec a minus tan a. I don't know.
Yes.
I need to check. What? How you solved?
Sir, I took that sin a plus cos a as one term and minus 1 is one term, and then rationalize it.
Let's this one, this part.
Yeah.
Okay, if you do into what you will get, sin a plus cos
Plus cos
a
a.
and minus
Plus
plus
1.
one.
Plus 1. Yeah. You must take about the denominator, right? That sin a plus cos a minus 1.
Okay.
Yes. The
Okay.
upper part we have to multiply that manually.
Becomes so big, right?
Yeah, it becomes so big.
It's become sin square a, then plus sin a cos a,
Yeah.
then plus
Minus.
sin a,
Yeah.
then minus sin a cos a, again minus cos square a and minus cos a again 1 minus sin a. This much big you do,
Yes, sir.
minus cos a minus 1.
Maximum will get cancelled, right?
Yes, this will get cancelled. Then sin a get cancelled. Then what is getting cancelled now? Now nothing is getting cancelled, right?
Cos a is constant part of
Cos a got cancelled. Cos a, where is cos a? Here is cos a. And where this is both are minus.
cancelled from somewhere, I don't know.
Both are minus only, right? How this will get cancelled?
Just a minute. Sir.
Sin square a plus cos square a and plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1. So this will get cancelled, minus 1 and this will get cancelled. So sin square a minus cos square a
Minus 2 cos a minus 1.
where are you getting? How you are getting this one, sin in this and all?
Actually, I cancelled cos a.
Huh?
Actually, I had cancelled cos a and cos a. So I got it.
You have solved already. Samarth, Rasool, can you solve this question? Javian, what you'll say, that only I'll do over here. Tell me. Samarth, you got the answer. How we are not getting like this? Anywhere mistake I have done? How you are saying that way only I'm doing over here.
Yeah, I had done that sign mistake actually.
Sign mistake you have done.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we are not doing by this method. Okay. Other method, what we do? See, every year sec and tan, everything is given, right? Everything is given in sec and tan form. Is it clear? So what we try to do is, everything you try to convert to sec and which form? Tan form only. Okay. So how we get sec and tan form? If everything you divide by cos A, right? So sin A divided by cos A is tan A minus cos A divided by cos A is 1 and minus 1 by cos A. Can we write like this? Samarth? Whole divided by sin A by cos
Yes,
A,
you can write.
then plus cos A by cos A, then minus 1 by cos A. Till here it's clear what I've done, Rasool?
Yes, sir.
And why I am doing? Because every options is in form of sec and tan. That's why I'm trying to convert into sec and tan to everyone. So now what I'll do, sin by cos, that is tan A only. So tan A minus 1 plus sec A whole divided by tan A plus 1 minus sec A. Now you can do, I think. Now send 1 to the last. Right here, tan A plus sec A and minus 1 you can write in bracket, you can write sec square A minus tan square A. And whole divided by, don't change anything in denominator part, as it is you keep. These are the tricks, small tricks you try to understand. Okay. Denominator part you keep as it is. Tan A plus 1 minus sec A. Now we can take tan A plus sec A common from the numerator. We can write it as 1 minus sec A. Sec A plus tan A you have taken out. So sec A minus tan A. So minus sec A and plus tan A whole divided by tan A plus minus sec A plus 1. So this whole part will get cancelled. So here we are getting what? Tan A plus sec A. We are getting what? Tan A plus sec A. But there is no option tan A and sec A. So what you should do? You should rationalize this one. Same, you multiply tan A minus sec A and divide by tan A minus sec A. So what do we get? Tan square A minus sec square A. What we get? Tan square A minus sec square. What is the answer for this? Who will tell me? Tan square A minus sec square A. What will come, Rasool? Tan square A minus sec square A. What we can write for this? See, we know the identity 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A, right? So tan square A minus sec square A is equals to what? Tell me, Rasool. What we can write for this? Tan square A minus sec square A. Minus 1. You're not getting, Rasool?
No, sir.
So minus 1 divided by tan A minus sec A. So if you multiply minus or to numerator and denominator both, what you'll get? We get here 1 divided by sec A minus tan A. Is it clear? But sec is, this option is there anywhere. 1 minute. So which option is correct? Samarth?
Yes, sir. A only.
Understood what I have done here?
Yeah, I changed the sign. Got the correct answer.
Rasul, which part you are not getting, Rasul? Tell me. I just write here the points. You just tell me which part not understanding, Rasul. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Which step you are not understanding, Rasul?
From second.
Second step. See what I have done. See this line you understood or not? This line you understood.
Yes, sir.
Now see, there are two parts in numerator. This is the first part. Wait. This is the first part and this is the second part. So sec square a minus tan square a is nothing but ck plus tan a and ck minus tan a, right? This part is nothing but ck minus tan a and sec a plus tan a. Is it clear? So now in both,
Yes,
if you see, tan a plus ck is common. Okay. So what will be pending? That I've written in bracket. 1 minus ck minus tan a. Now it's clear or not?
yes, sir.
Now whole this part will get cancelled. Now we'll get only tan a plus ck. Now we are rationalizing it again. We are getting the answers. Still doubt, Rasul?
Sir.
Okay, fine. So these are a bit interesting questions actually. This here's very interesting questions. Now see, these all are Fadu sums. Now tell me, Samarth, how to do this question.
Which one?
This question is there. Which how to do this sum? Very nice questions they are given here. Sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta minus 3. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we can do it by taking it into squares, right? Just a minute, let me solve it. Then
Can you do anything for this?
yes, sir, just a minute, it's coming.
Which
Sir, I
formula you
think the
have?
answer will be 0 only, because sir, it will just get cancelled.
How 0 answer you are getting?
I have not got the answer, but I'm getting it.
Okay. Sine 0 only you put. No, sine 0 what you will get? Sine 0 is 0 and sine 0 is 1. The 1 in 1 into 2 is 2 minus minus 3. The 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 1. This becomes 0 only. How you know? How I have done?
Yeah,
If you put theta is equals to what? 0 degree. Then what do you get? This becomes 0, this becomes 1. This becomes 0, this becomes 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 3 plus 1. The answer is what?
yeah, that's 0.
If you want to expand, what is the answer for this? If you want to expand this.
Sir, by expanding, we can take it all in the form of squares. Then it will be just like
If theta is equal to 30 degree, then what is the answer? 2 into sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 to the power 6 plus cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 to the power 1 minute. if you are having MCQs, you can do like this. Okay. Minus 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus root 3 by 2 to the power 4 and plus 1. So 2. Here what we can write 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Sorry, 3 by 4 minus 3 into what, this is not square, no, 6 power is there, 6, not this much.
Yeah, to the power 6. 1 by 8 plus
1 by 8 or 1 by 64, no?
to the power 6 is there all at 1 by 64.
One minute. So we'll get the answer as 0 only. Okay, solve this one, you will get the answer as 0 only. So 1 by
Yes.
64 plus root 3 to the power 6, that is 27. 27 divided by 64. Then minus 3, 1 by 16 plus 9 by 16 plus 1. What do you get? 2 into 28 by 64 plus 3, 10 by 16. Okay. So 2, 32. So LCM will be what? 32, 16. LCM is 32 only. The 28 plus 32 is 60. Here something else is coming. See, we are not doing any mistakes. Now just check once. See, theta is equal to 30 degrees. This is 0.1.2 to the power 6, 1 by 64 plus 3 3s are 9, 27 by 2 to the power 6, 64. 3 into 1 by 16 plus 3s are 9 by 16 again. Then plus 1 we have not done here, no? Plus 1. So 2 by 62 into 28 by 64 plus minus 3. This is minus 3, right? Minus 30, minus 60 will come here. Answer came right now. 28 minus 60 plus 32 divided by 60, divided by 32. The answer will be 0 only. All right. Answer will be 0. Samarth, Teja, you are not, now you are not guessing. Samarth,
Sir? So you were telling something?
Teja, are you there in the meeting? Kritika, you are having network issue. Huh? Kritika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. That's why I left and joined again.
Okay, fine. So next question is 157. Just check all of you right now. You are having the answers, means question paper in front of you, Javian. All the questions you are having with you right now.
Yes.
See, do question number 157 now.
Just a minute.
157.
Okay.
One minute, children's got taking time. See this question number 157. Question number 157. Solve this question. Try to convert everything into what? Sine and cos form. If you do, that is better. And tans. All the answers are given in sine and cos form. Try to convert everything into sine and cos. Check what is coming. Some of you are solving this.
Yes, sir. Solving, sir.
This much is clear what I've done. This much is clear to everyone what I've done here right now. Now we can take here sine square a cos square a LCM sine square a minus cos square a. So it will come sine square a plus cos square a. So answer is what? 1 by sine square a minus cos square a. The answer
Yes,
is
sir. I am also getting the same answer.
so here nothing is matching. So what you should convert? Convert sine into cos or cos into sine. What do you get? See 1 plus 2 sine square a you get. 1 by 1 plus 2 sine square a. Or you
Yeah.
can write 1 by 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. This answer you can just convert sine into cos form or cos into sine form. What do you get? 1 minus sine square a as it is, you write 1 minus sine square a. So what do you get? 1 divided by 1 minute. 1 divided by what you get? Sine a sine square a minus 1 plus sine square a. So this is not the answer, right?
No.
Sine square a minus cos square, sine square a minus 1 minus sine square a minus 1. So this will become what? 1 divided by 2 sine square a minus 1. 2 sine square a minus 1. Nothing is there, no?
Yes, sir. No options.
1 minus 2 cos square a. This is the option is correct. Now you convert, this option is not matching, right? Convert sine into cos form. What do you get? Convert sine into cos form. What do you get? Sine into cos form now. So sine into cos form, do 1 by 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a. So what do you get?
So the answer is A, sir. 1 by. Yes.
The first option is correct. Okay. So tell me, children, which steps you are feeling difficulty in overall. first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Which steps you are feeling difficulty in this? Javian, it's clear
Got the
everywhere?
same answer.
Huh? What, Rasul? You got the same answer?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, different method you applied?
No, sir, same.
Okay. Anyone else who is not understanding? Teja. Teja. Teja, you're getting everything? No doubt anywhere?
No, no, sir.
Javian is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. These questions are very good. You can do, children, at home. It's very nice questions. This is brain opener questions. Brain go open karne wala. See, find this question. This is easier question. 159 one. 159. 58 is easy question. So I'm not doing right now. Do 59th one. 59th question. Just try once. If in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equals to 6 units and BC is equals to 8 units, then the value of sine A cos C plus cos A sine C will be 1, 2, 1 by root 2, root 2. This question is very, very easy. Try all of you fast. Right angle at B, ABC. AB is 6, BC is 8. So this will be 10, right? So sine, this is very easy. Go simply put the value sine A cos A. Sine A and cos A. Sine A is what? Sine, if this is the angle, this become P by H. So 8 by 10. Cos A becomes 6 by 10. If I'm telling, see, this is the angle. Right
Sir, is the
now,
answer 2?
huh?
2, sir, 2.
2.
No, sir, sorry, 1. Actually,
1. Okay. Cos C sin C. If C is the angle, cos C becomes 8 by 10 and sin C becomes 6 by 10. Now put the value sin A 8 by 10 into cos C 8 by 10 plus cos A 6 by 10, 6 by 10, 64 by 100 plus 36 by 100. So answer is 100 by 100. So answer is what? 1.
1, sir.
So answer we are getting as 1. So answer here is 1. So these were basic concept of this question, right? These are the basic concept.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more question we do. You're not having 90-degree one, right? This
No,
value
sir.
is putting
It's
the
repeated.
values part we want to do. Today's last question on the board. 161, I think. One 63. Okay. if tan A plus cot A is equal to 2? This is the easiest question of the world only. Directly you can say, right? Tan 45 plus cot 45 is 2, right? So tan 45, the 1 plus 1, 2
Yes,
only
sir.
answer will come. Is it right? Is it clear?
2 only, sir. Yeah.
Directly question you can do this. Tan A plus cot A is equals to 2. So tan square A plus cot square is equal to what? 2 only.
Yes.
Kritika, can you hear me? Kritika. She is messaging now. I told you to do that, those trigonometric concepts, right? From the Google Classroom. Have you done that?
Yes, sir, some I did, not all.
What happened?
Some I did, not all.
Okay, if you do all the concepts, this all will be cleared. You understanding what I've done today?
Yes, understood.
Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Just meet on Thursday.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, children. Bye.